Hey, welcome to Cook for Health. Today we are making marinara sauce, simple, easy and very less ingredients. Heat olive oil in a pan and add minced garlic, add bay leaf and chopped onions. Go ahead and saute them. Now chopped carrots and celery sticks. Cook them for 3 to 5 minutes. You can also add Italian seasoning and some basil and oregano. So I have added a pinch of basil and oregano later. I have used canned puree, so we are going to add 3 cups of canned puree now. So for this, you can also use fresh ones. So just make sure that you just take away the skin before adding the tomatoes. And also 2 cups of diced tomatoes. Now mix everything. Maybe you will have to add half cup of water and then let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. So this everything will cook properly and it will have this fragrant marinara sauce. Oh, our sauce is ready. I'm adding fresh thyme now and the marinara sauce, the chunky marinara sauce is ready. Enjoy this with any kind of pasta. Thank you for watching.